Okay, right now we're going to work on perimeter test card A. The poster is 3 times as long as it is wide. So we have a poster that is 3 times as long as it is wide. A banner is 5 times as long as it is wide. Both the poster and the banner have a perimeter of 24 inches. What is the length and the width of the poster and the banner? So let's start by looking at the poster. It's 3 times as long as it is wide. So whatever the width is, we have to do it 3 times more than that and get a perimeter of 24. The banner is 5 times as long as it is wide. So whatever the banner is, then we know it's 5 times more than that on the long side. So we're trying to find the length and the width. So if I know length plus width equals 24, and this one has also 24, we're going to see, 24 inches, and this is 24 inches. We will have to do some guess and check to see what will work. Okay, so let's just say that the width is 4. So if the width is 4, the length would be 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 plus 12, that's already 24. So that's too big. So let's try another number. Let's try if it's 2. If the width is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. So that'll be 2 and 2 and 6 and 6. Let's see if that equals 24. 6 plus 6 is 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. No, that's too small. So if 4 is too big and 2 is too small, let's try a width of 3. So let's try 3. This is if the width is, whoa, sorry about that. If the width is 3, then 3 times 3 would be 9. So if I have 9 and 9 and 3 and 3, if I add these up, do I get 24? 9 plus 9 is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the length of this banner is 9 and the width is 3 inches. Let's try the same guess and check for the banner. Sorry, this is the poster, this is the banner. So on the banner, it's 5 times as long. Well, if I knew 3 was over here, I'm going to try something smaller, because if I know 3 times 3 is 9, 5 times 3 would be 15. 15 and 15 would already be bigger than 24. So let's try 2. If my width is 2, what is 5 times 2? That's 10. And 10 here, and 2 here. 10 plus 10 is 20. Plus 2 would be 22. Plus 2 more would be 24. So we know that, the length is 2 inches. Sorry, my stylus isn't working again. And my width is 10 inches. It doesn't matter, again, which one is length or width, as long as you have the information correct. Okay, it says Jackson's bedroom has an area of 90 square feet. So I'm going to draw his bedroom and put 90 square feet. The area of his bedrooms is 9 times that of his closet. If his closet is 2 feet wide, what is the length? Well, first I have to figure out 90 is 9 times more than his closet. So what would the closet's area be? As it says that then the room is 9 times more than his closet. So 9 times what number would give me 90? The closet has to have an area of 10 square feet. So I'm going to make the closet, and I know it's 10 square feet. I know that it's 2 feet wide, so I want to know how long is it. So 2 times what length would give me 10 square feet. 2 times 5. So the length of the closet is 5 feet. Okay, now I'm on task card E. Task card E says the width of David's tent is 5 feet. The length is twice the width. David's rectangular mattress measures 3 feet by 6 feet. If David puts the air mattress in the tent, how many square feet of floor space will be available for the rest of his things? What? Alright, let's just start with the tent. Let's find the floor space of the tent, which would be area. So let's make the tent. And it says the tent, the width is 5 feet. And the length is twice the width. So what is 2 times 5? 10. So the area would be length times width, which would be 5 times 10, would be 50 square feet. Now it says he has an air mattress that he puts in here. So let's just draw a little air mattress in there. If the air mattress is 3 feet by 6 feet, the area of the air mattress would be 18 feet. So they're saying if you put the air mattress in here, and that was 18 square feet, if we put an air mattress in here that's 18 square feet, and the whole thing is 50, how much is left over that the air mattress is not covering? Where could he put all the rest of his things? So we can take 50 square feet minus 18 square feet, and we can regroup. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3. There would be 32 square feet for David to put his things, if you could write a little sentence for that. Okay, now we're on task card G, and it says that Alexa has a piece of paper that is 4 centimeters wide, and its length is twice its width. So she glues a piece of gray paper on top of the black piece of paper, and the gray paper measures 3 centimeters by 7 centimeters. How many square centimeters of black paper will be showing? So here's the picture. Her black paper is this whole piece right here, and it is 4 centimeters, and its width is twice, the length is twice its width. So 4 times 2 would be 8. So the area of the black paper, whoops, sorry, I can't spell, is 8 times 4, which is 32 square centimeters. Now it says the gray paper is covering that. The gray paper is 3 centimeters by 7 centimeters. If you don't have this picture on your paper, you could go ahead and draw it and just like do little lines like this to show the black paper. Anyway, so 3 by 7 is this gray paper. So the gray paper is 3 times 7, 21 square centimeters. I want to know how much of the black is showing. So if the whole black is 32 and 21 centimeters is covering it up, then I need to subtract, and that would mean that 11 square centimeters is still showing. Alright, so then task card I. The length of Marshall's poster is 2 times its width. If the perimeter is 72 inches, what is the area of the poster? So let's make a poster. The width is something, and the length equals 2 times whatever the width is. So now we have to figure out what can we add together that would give us 72. So we need W plus L plus L equals 72. Well, let me just think about this for a second. I know 2 W's plus 2 L's will give me 72. Now I'm going to do some guess and check. What if I made this 10? That would be that the width would be 5, because 5 times 2 is 10. If I made this 10 and this 5, that gives us 20, and 5, that's 30. So I need to make it way bigger. So why don't I try 10 here and 10 here, and then I know the length has to be twice as big, so that would make 2 times 10 is 20, and 20, that's 20, 40, 20, 40, 50, 60. Ooh, I'm getting closer. Why don't I try 12. Whoa. Let's see this. Oh, this side is 12. And let's make this side 12. And then what would be twice that? 12 plus 12 is 24. So this side would be 24. This side would be 24. 12 and 12 is 24. And then I would have 24 and 24. 3 or 4, 8, 12. Carry the 1. 72. Yay! 72 inches is the perimeter. So now I know that the length is 24 and the width is 12. Now try the rest on the other pages that you have, D, F, and H. Thank you. Good luck.